Hello guys, today I buy some food that we need and some medicines. As you can see there's no one around because of the enhanced community quarantine. There's some people outside to buy also their needs. When you are going outside always bring your quarantine pass with you, wear your face mask, and specially bring an alcohol or sanitizer, one person that allowed to buy their essential needs. As you can see there is a passaway, walking without wearing a face mask. But the others wear it, they also buy some food. We have curfew here 24/7, but if you have quarantine pass it is okay to pass the gate. As you can see many stores are closed because of ECQ. There is no jeepney in the road, they are not allowed to have trip because, again with the ECQ rules. Oh whoa, there is an collision, maybe they not giving way to each other, always give way in the road and be patient so that there is no accident will happen. Nice man, why you push your tricycle, it's flat or you have no gasoline. As you can see, giving way in the road is the best manners so that there is no accident will occur.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Likes, share and comments. Thank you for watching.